Hello everyone. Welcome to tutorial series of Learn Relational Database by Retail Shop Application Development in msaccess. In this tutorial, I will teach you msaccess action query. You may ask me that. Sir, what is action query? I'll explain. In Microsoft Access, an action query is a type of query that performs an action on the data in a database, rather than just retrieving data. That's why it is called action query. Action queries are used to modify, add, or delete data in one or more tables based on specific criteria. There are several types of action queries in msaccess. First one is append query. It is used to add records from one or more tables to another table. Second one is delete query. It removes records from one or more tables based on specified criteria. Third one is update query. It modifies existing records in one or more tables based on specified criteria. Fourth one is make table query. It creates a new table based on the results of a select query. Action queries are powerful tools, but they should be used with caution, as they directly manipulate data in the database, and can have irreversible consequences if not used correctly. It's always a good idea to make a backup of your database before running any action queries, especially if you're not completely confident in the outcome. Let's understand the concept of append query first. This type of query allows you to add records from one or more tables to another table. Here, we have to specify the source table and the destination table, and Access will insert the selected records into the destination table. This is particularly useful when you need to consolidate data from multiple sources. Append queries are useful for consolidating data from multiple sources or for importing data from external sources into your database. They can help streamline data entry processes and ensure data integrity. Let's jump into msaccess to closely look into this concept. To have better understanding the concept, let's say, I want to maintain customers' information in my customers master table and it has customer ID as primary key. You can see over here, on the screen in front of you. I am getting customers' information from my customers representative, who are placed at different places. Customer representatives also have same table. It means, table has same structures, fields, and are in same order. They are collecting information of customers and used to send me to append my master customer table. At present, master customer table is empty and you can see, over here on the screen. My challenge is how to accomplish this task of maintaining my master customer's data without any duplicate records and error in msaccess. Just observe me closely. I am now going to append my master customer table in msaccess. To do this, open the customer file received from customer representative. Go to Create tab, click Query Design command button located in Query section. Show Table dialog box will get pop-up. Select the source table. Here, for us, customer table is the source table. And we wanted to append this table information in customer master table. Double-click customer table and close the Show Table dialog box. Customer table will come in query pane. Double-click the asterisk mark in customer table to select all the fields. Then, go to query type over here on the screen. Click Append Query command button. Append dialog box will open. It will ask you table name and database where table is situated. If my master customer table is in same database, then select current database, and if it is some other database, then select another database. In this case, as I told you earlier, that customer file and customer master file are two different files. Customer file is the file that we received from customer representative. Customer master file is the main file where we are consolidating information received from various customer representative. So, select the another database, locate the database in table. Then click OK and click Run command over here to execute the query. Open customer master file to check whether information appended or not. Boom! Information get appended in my master customer table. Congratulations! You have created very first append query in msaccess. To save the query, click the cross mark button over here on the screen and give some meaningful name. Now, let's say, next day again customer representative send the same file with updated information. Follow the same steps explained above. It will append the customer master table with additional information. Similar way, if you receive the customer information from another customer representative, follow same steps to append your master table. Customer's master table will get appended, each and every time with additional information and without duplication. This is because all these tables have customer ID as primary key. msaccess will not allow to append table with same primary key. So, you can be relaxed and confident that data will not be repeated in the table. With a great ease, you have appended your master table. For demonstration purpose, I have shown only very few records in the tables. But, in real life, you may have millions of records in the tables. And great part is, in a single click, with no time you will be able to append millions of records. So, this is all about append query. All these tools and technique will help you to build retail shop application. You can utilize these concepts to make your own application in the field of your requirement. In my next tutorial, I will teach you delete query. All these video are super easy to understand. If you like this video and wanted to learn more in msaccess, then this is the right place. Please do like, share and subscribe. You will get notification as soon as my new tutorial uploaded. Till then, bye bye.